One of the best ways to get your back strong is with an exercise called the Superman when you're South African, and it's called the Bird Dog if you're American. It's very simply going onto all fours and alternating or lifting your alternative arm and leg and holding it for a designated amount of time. I have got better videos of this. You can go look at my YouTube for that. You go into all fours, get your back nice and into neutral, stabilize your shoulders. And you're going to, generally I try to extend one leg first and then the arm, hold it for about 10 seconds, sweep it down and lift up again, hold it for another 10 seconds, maybe repeat about 6 times, and then obviously you do it on the other side as well. Hold it for 10 seconds, come down, and then up again.